So we ended up going through, stopped at QT to get some lunch and a drink. And as I was leaving to get back on the interstate, found a nice little wallet. Of course, you got a couple of ones up inside there. So used my contacts with old AAA and ended up finding out the guy's number, got them to contact him, gave him my number, and ended up finding out he's going the same direction I am towards Nashville. So getting off at exit 19 right now. He said he's got a F-150 Raptor that we're gonna go through and end up meeting up with him. So luckily found it, right person, knew with what to end up doing. So I go through and we'll let you watch. Got any ID to verify that's you? Well, if you thank you very much. No problem, man. I wouldn't not like I was in on this. I was just glad I was going through and be able to get a hold of you before you got way too far. All right, stay safe. Yep, do the right thing. It'll come around.